Hello, everybody. Today, we're going to reset the maintenance required warning light on any Lexus GS model. We will go step by step and show you what the process is and how we do it. So stay tuned. If you have an old Lexus GS350, you can reset the oil maintenance light by pressing the button on the instrument panel. So let's get into it now. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Press the trip button on the hidden panel until you see the auto on the screen. Step 3. Turn off your car. Step 4. Now, at the same time, press and hold that reset button while pressing the start button twice without depressing the brake pedal. Step 5. Continue to hold down the button until the reset is complete and you're done. Okay, in this section, we will learn how to reset the oil maintenance minder light on the 2013 to 2015 Lexus GS350. Basically, you just use the trip button on the instrument panel to do it. So let's do this. Step 1. Turn on the ignition. Step 2. Press the trip button to go find the trip A on the screen. Step 3. Turn off the ignition. Step 4. Now press and hold that trip button while pressing the start button twice without depressing the brake pedal. Step 5. Keep hold down the trip button until all zeros appear on the screen and you're done. All right, in this section, we will learn how to reset the scheduled maintenance light on the last generation of Lexus GS by using the keypad on the steering wheel. So the first thing we do is, Step 1. Turn on the ignition. Step 2. Now, you're going to scroll over with the keypad until you get to the settings menu. Step 3. Highlight the vehicle settings and press enter. Step 4. Select schedule maintenance or oil maintenance. Step 5. Finally, select yes, and that will reset your maintenance data, and you're done. So that's going to be it for today. If you have any questions or comments, drop me a line, and I'll be more than happy to talk to you about anything. See you at the next one, and have a great day.